Hello friends, welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. How are you all? Today's recipe is restaurant style cabbage manchurian. As you have seen by the texture and the color, it's so delicious and the balls are so crunchy. So let's check out the ingredients we need to make restaurant style cabbage manchurian. To make cabbage manchurian, here I have taken 500 grams of cabbage or half cabbage. Now grate it using the grater. You can use the food processor to grate it however you feel comfortable, both ways. Basically we have to grate it in small pieces. This is how it looks like. Once I will finish grating all the cabbage, then I will show you. After grating the cabbage, and half teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. This is the main ingredients and the game changer of this recipe. Add ginger garlic crushed, or you can use ginger garlic paste. Half teaspoon of red chili powder or according to your taste, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of all purpose flour or maida. It will give a perfect binding for the balls. Now mix it properly. Make sure all the ingredients mix properly. After mixing, take small portion in your hand and check if the balls are forming. That means the mixture is perfect. If it is not, then add 1 tablespoon of corn flour in it and then start making the balls. This is the first ball ready. Similar way, prepare all the balls and then we'll start frying these balls. Here I have already heat the oil on medium flame. Now start placing the Manchurian balls inside the oil and now wait for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, stir it with a very light hand and fry these until it's slightly brown in color as you have seen. And now remove this into the plate. Make sure not to put these onto the tissue paper or the kitchen towel. Similar way, fry all the Manchurian balls in the oil on medium flame. After frying all the balls, now we have to fry these balls on the high flame. When you are frying these second time, make sure the oil is nice and hot and the flame is high. Add all the fried balls inside the oil. Make sure the heat is on high flame at this point. After adding all the balls, start frying these balls. It will take about 3-4 minutes. Once it is changed its color to dark brown as I am showing you here, start removing on the kitchen towel. This step is important so the Manchurian balls became crunchy, and this is how all the balls are ready. As you have seen by the color, you have to fry these until you will get the nice crunchy and brown color. Now we'll start preparing the sauce for the Manchurian balls. For the sauce, in a wok, add oil as I am showing you here and make sure the heat is on medium to high flame when you are cooking these. Add 4 to 5 chopped garlic and saute it for about a minute. Add spring onion heads, basically the onion that has on the top of the green part. Now saute it for about another couple of seconds. Add 2 to 3 green chilies slit into 4 pieces or according to your taste. Again saute it. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Capsicums, different colors. I have used red, green and yellow. Saute it for about a minute on high flame. Make sure not to overcook these. After that, add half teaspoon of salt. Make sure to add a little salt because we are adding the sauce inside that. Add 1 to 2 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. It will give a nice color in this recipe. 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoon of spring onion and 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, and now again saute it for about a minute. Once it is done, as you have seen here, after couple of minutes, add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce inside that and again stir it. Once it starts boiling, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water in it, or according to the thickness you want, into your sauce, and take one boil while stirring. Once the one boil came, it's time to make it little bit thick. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of corn flour and add 2 tablespoons of water inside that and make a slurry. Make sure there is no lumps, and at this point you have to be very quick. Stir it continuously for about a minute, and you have seen it starts getting thick. At this point, if you want, you can add little more water to make it little watery, and then add the Manchurian balls. Make sure when you are ready to serve, then only add the Manchurian balls into the sauce. Otherwise, after 10-15 minutes it starts became soggy. Sprinkle some spring onions and serve hot with some rice. And if you like this recipe of Manchurian balls, then do give it a try. And when you are making the Manchurian balls, make sure to fry these twice to get the nice texture. And when you are ready, then only add the balls into the sauce. And if you like this recipe of restaurant style easy cabbage Manchurian, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.